Hello and welcome to our video on how to cancel your Shopify subscription. If you're a Shopify user who's looking to cancel your subscription, you're in the right place. We're going to guide you through the process step by step so you can cancel your subscription without any hassle. Segment 1: check your subscription plan. The first step to canceling your Shopify subscription is to check which subscription plan you're on. Shopify offers a range of subscription plans, and the process for canceling your subscription can vary depending on your plan. To check your subscription plan, log into your Shopify account and click on the Billing tab. From there, you will be able to see which plan you're on. Segment 2: canceling your subscription. To cancel your Shopify subscription, you will need to go to the Billing tab and click on the Cancel Subscription button. Shopify will then ask you to confirm that you want to cancel your subscription. Segment 3: pause your subscription. If you're not ready to cancel your Shopify subscription completely, you can pause your subscription instead. Pausing your subscription will temporarily suspend your account, and you won't be billed while your account is paused. To pause your subscription, go to the Billing tab and click on the Pause Subscription button. Segment 4: contact Shopify support. If you're having trouble canceling your subscription or pausing your account, you can contact Shopify support for assistance. Shopify offers a range of support options, including live chat and email support. You can also browse their help center for answers to common questions. Segment 5: export your data. Before you cancel your Shopify subscription, it's a good idea to export your data. This will ensure that you don't lose any important information, such as customer data or order information. To export your data, go to the Settings tab and click on the Export button. From there, you will be able to select which data you want to export and download it to your computer. We hope that this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of canceling your Shopify subscription. Remember, if you need any assistance, you can contact Shopify support for help. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on new videos and it really helps support my channel. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.